it's time for dreaming.
Hello. So today we are gonna take the lead of studio case study and unfold that. So Lead Off Studio is a design agency in US, and I took their product called what is the product called? Dame Products was their client, and this was done in 2017 by the studio. These are some pleasure toys, and they had a description and the vibe they are gonna go with, and they have done pretty good job. I really like their products, and how creative thinking and their research must be so interesting, right? Anyways, yeah, so this was their product, and we are gonna unfold this and first study this. So users testing and user experience is very well iterated, and the forms are clearly showing the depth of testing and research, which is really good. Hats off to the designer. And you get it, the color approach and the context definitely generate certain emotions, right? So this product is used to creating emotions directly, and it's a product that is linked to hormones and decision making, which we also call post-nut clarity. And there has been limited research and innovation in the sector, and the major reason for it is the stigma stuck to it. Now, as a designer, I wanted to create an experience that go beyond what market offers, something more than forms, colors, and different vibration frequency, because that's the most innovation we have achieved, right? So again, we are gonna dig into technology, design, and emotion. So let's talk about technology first. Electronics for vibration, different mode control. That's the max that has been done. So what if it could sense pleasure spots and convey the data through sensory cues to them and their partners? Wouldn't that be interesting? And for the form, like they already have excellent form that shows the depth of user testing and research. Colors are used to elevate the mood, and that familiarity, relativeness, and to pleasure is there. And but there is lack of knowledge regarding what form can give what pleasure and what all ways can it be used, and vibration frequency is directly related to pleasure. So why not put tech in it, create something and combine it in a way. But before that, let's dig into the emotion. When do people make use of this product, was the question I asked. In stressful situation, they want to experiment and explore, post orgasm reality check, pleasure with partner, loneliness, to release of extra energy, to feel whole with the body, right? So, if it benefits in so many aspects of our life, how do we break the stigma surrounding it and empower users to prioritize their wellness, which is an essential factor directly linked to hormones and decision making, right? So, in the current scenario, limited innovation has been done in this sector. So, how can we use my framework, and how can we design sexual wellness products that deliver pleasure while enabling exploration and body awareness? Without knowing what pleasure is or what pleases us, how can we repeat it or share it with our partners? Wouldn't that be interesting? So let's imagine this. In technology sector, determine pleasure points through sensations, liquid intensity, or any other sensory cue, and mark the pleasure points in some way that later it can be used to know if you are in the right path or playing around the bushes, resulting in fake orgasms. You know what I mean? And in the design section, apart from the excellent form and development in solid colors, approaching the mood and vibe, let's go one step ahead. What sensory cues can be used to guide and notify the user or their partner and communicate what gives them the most pleasure? It's like making a map. And in the emotion, this will result in no fake orgasms, and pleasure could reach 100% through this innovation and might change human nature as hormones and decisions directly relate to decision making. So, in short, what is happening is that this stimulation is connected to hormones, that is connected to decision making. If we create a map of deeper understanding and create a way to communicate that through technology and sensory cue, reach the peak of your pleasure so you don't fake it until you make it. The big O. Ability to make constructive decisions. So that is what is happening behind. So, what if pleasure wasn't just a feeling but a map to deeper understanding and could be communicated to them or their partners, and an extension product for your client, dame, a ring or a bracelet, that vibration or sensory cues that work as a guide? So, don't fake it till you make it.